Okay, aloha mai kākou. Aloha everyone. Mahalo nui for joining us for this evening's virtual Hawaiian language class. He po'aha ke ia o ke ia kala umikumawalu o Pepeluali, and we're going to be going over ʻŌPaʻa number 5 or unit number 5. Okay, we ready? Ready? Ready. All right, here's a quick breakdown of our agenda. Same as normal. Hopefully you guys practice the oli. I'll be testing you. Not really, but yeah, you know. And then yeah, we'll be reviewing last week's lesson about nahelu or numbers, and then going into today's lesson about ke kula or school. Okay. Okay, so aloha mai kākou e naha mana. Welcome to our ʻAʻA I KE KULA HEA virtual Hawaiian language class. In the chat, if you guys can answer the questions that we normally answer. Owai koinoa, what is your name? Noho oi ihia, where do you live or where are you tuning in from? And this week's question is Hea Hakau Ki'ionioni Punahele, what is your favorite movie? Just to you know, build pilina between us all. Okay, so aloha mai o kumukānuola ko uinoa, noho au I ke walauka, and my favorite movie is The Hangover. I don't know, maybe familiar with The Hangover, but yeah, The Hangover. It's just funny. Okay, Kapua, you wanna do this introduction? Ke ololu?
Aloha, o kapua ko inoa noho au I Kulu. I don't know why 13 going on 30 just popped into my head, but we're gonna go with that because that's what's right now.
Well, yeah, I remember. And Lena Ala.
Aloha, o Lena Ala ko uinoa Hawaii, noho au I Lihue. My favorite movie, first thing that came to my mind was The Nightmare Before Christmas. So I'm sticking with that too.
Oh, you know what? I'm gonna change mine. Sister Act. That is my favorite movie, I think. Sister Act number 1. Yeah. But yeah, and then Erika, she has another event tonight. But again, if you have any questions, please send them in the chat for Kapua and Lena Ala. Thank you. Okay. So our Loina, let's go over our Loina, our values that we practice in this class and every class and in our life and every day and all that good things. So I'm going to be calling on some people. If you guys can read it for us. And let's get, I'm going to call Carly Kano. She's my best friend. She's from Seattle. We're besties. So can you read the first one, please?
Aloha ke kahi ke pahi. Love one another. We are an
Okay. Thank you, best friend. Then Pi'ilani.
Ho'ihi aku, ho'ihi mai. Be respectful on camera and in the chat.
Okay. So yeah, no bad things in the chat or we'll kick you out. We will. Okay, number 3. Aki.
E kulia I kanu'u. Strive to be the very best you can be.
Mahalo. Okay, and then number 4, Mackenzie McCann.
I'm sorry, the last one?
Yeah.
ʻAʻA I ka ʻŌLELO mai hila.
Okay, so ʻAʻA I ka ʻŌLELO mai hila. And that's exactly what you did. Dare to speak, don't be ashamed. Even if you guys make like a wrong pronunciation or you don't know what the word is, that's totally fine. We're not going to be judgy. We're not going to judge anyone in this class, okay? So yes. Oli, hopefully you guys remember Eho Mai from last time. Again, this chant is asking us for wisdom and for kupuna to be with us in this space, in this present. So yes, if we cannot polikikua, sit up, and we're going to do it 3 times. And would anyone want to lead us off or be the leo alakai? Raise your hand or just start your mic. No. Okay, I'm gonna ask again next week, so hopefully some will be ready next week. Because I'm not gonna do it. Okay, Makoko. Did I beat myself? Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. E ho mai ka ike mai luna mai e. O na mea huna. Oh, Nainoa Kabalo wants to try. Okay. Sorry, I didn't see that till after. So Nainoa, thank you. You can start.
Hello, Kumu. It's me, Tammy.
Hi. Okay. Whenever you're.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, ready.
E ho mai ka ike mai luna mai e. O na mea huna no e au. O na mele e. E ho mai. E ho mai. E ho mai e ho mai ka ike mai luna mai e o na mea huna no e au o na mele e ho mai e ho mai e ho mai e ho mai ka ike mai luna mai e o na mea huna no e au o na mele e ho mai e ho mai e ho mai
Mahalo, Tammy. Thank you. Pai lima kākou.
Mahalo.
Good. So our kupuna are here. Let's have a good class. Okay, so let's review what we learned last week about helu. We learned the numbers 1 through 10. We had that ʻPaʻa, and we also learned how to go all the way to 100 because we asked about your age and your birthday. So let's just review numbers 1 through 9. No, 1 through 10 with student cousin Kathy, my mother. Kākou, let's come together. Jesus. I hate technology. Be loud. Okay. Whatever. Okay, so let's try that with our new version when we did ʻekahi ʻelua ʻekolu haumana. Okay, so everyone using these on-screen prompts to help you, let's all count and hold your fingers up because that kind of helps us to retain the numbers. Remember, at the end we go haumana ʻŌLELO. Umi haumana ʻŌLELO. Okay. Makaukau, ehelupu kākou, oh yeah. Ekahi, elua, ekolu. Oh shoot. I was gonna say cats. Okay, one more time. Ready and go. Ekahi, elua, ekolu haumana, eha, elima, eono haumana, ehiku, evalu, eiva haumana, umi haumana ʻŌLELO. Dab. Okay, anyone want to try? You gotta do the dab. Anyone want to try by themselves? Volunteer, ʻAʻA I KE KULA HEA. Yeah. Ashlyn. Oh, sorry. Sorry, can you unmute one more time? I don't know. Sorry, Ashlyn, one more time. I think you're on mute.
Unmute. Okay, can I do it with the song? You want me to sing it?
Yeah.
Okay. Ekahi, elua, ekolu haumana, eha, elima, eona haumana, ehiku, evalu, eiva haumana, umi haumana ʻŌLELO.
Wait, you missed.
And down.
Yeah, okay, good. Okay, my cut. Okay, so that's our numbers, and let's review our questions from last week. So we went over 3 questions, 4 actually, but this is the answers from o ka lā e iwa o me koʻula hanau, o ka lā e hia keia, o ka lā e kolu o ka kopa keia. Okay. So let's go type those answers in the chat. The first one is your age, he age o makahiki. So the question again is e hia o makahiki, if I asked you that. And if you guys can all type your answer. If you're not comfortable sharing your age, just say 21. Okay? So e hia o makahiki, he umikumawalu o makahiki. Kapua, e hia o makahiki?
E iwa kālua kumahiku o makahiki.
Okay. And Leina ʻAʻA, e hia o makahiki?
He iwa kālua kumawalu o makahiki.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Accidentally muted you, Kumu. Sorry.
You muted me. You're muting me. Jesus. Okay. Quebec bag. E hia o makahiki.
E kana kolu o makahiki.
Okay. Amanda P. E hia o makahiki.
Hi iha kumu umio ka, oh my goodness, makahiki.
Okay, I'm guessing you're saying 41. Is that 41? Okay.
Well, that's why I tried.
No, and that's great. That's a good try. So kanaha kumakahi.
Kamaha kumaha.
Yeah. Okay. Mahalo. Let's do one more. Tiana Flores. E hia o makahiki.
He iwa kalua kumakahi o makahiki.
Oh, she literally is 21. Okay. Okay. Our next one is your birthday. So we're gonna go okala ihia kola hanau. And then I don't know if you remember your month. Hopefully you remember your month. If not, you can just put the day in Hawaiian and then the month in English if you need to. Okay? So shut up, Kumu. Okala number o month ko'ula hanau. Okay, so you guys can all write that out. Someone asked a really good question. Why is it o'u and not ko'u? And that's only when it deals with numbers that you take out the K. It's called a K-less trigger. So you take out the K when it deals with numbers. And we'll get into that a little bit more throughout our classes. Yeah. Ke haulani bro, okala ihia kola hanau. When is your birthday?
Saturday.
Oh, happy birthday. Happy early birthday.
So it's Okala Iwa Kalua o Pepe Luali Ko'ula Hanau.
Oh, happy birthday. We'll sing happy birthday at the end. Okay. Let's go with Catherine Upton. If you can answer. Okala ihia kola hanau.
Okala umikuma kolu o August ko'ula hanau.
Okay, yeah.
I don't know what August is.
Aukake.
Akake.
Yeah, good. And then let's go with Victoria Jones. Salinas? Anything for Salinas?
Did you call on me, Kumu?
Yeah, you can go. I don't know if Victoria heard me, but yeah.
Oh, okay. So I missed last week's class, so I'll try my best.
Yep.
Okala ekahi elua o me ko'ula hauna.
Hanau, yeah. So the good thing about
hanau.
May is the same thing. It's May, M-E-I.
Okay, and what is 12?
12?
The 12th.
Good. Umikumalua. Umikumalua.
Umikumalua?
Here, let me type that in for you. Umikumalua. Okay, so that's pretty much 10 and 2. 10 plus 2, if you think about it.
Okay, thank you, Kumu.
Thank you. And our last one, everyone's going to have the same answer. Well, actually, no, because we have someone in Mexico. and some in Japan. So, okala ehia keia, meaning what is today's date. Okay, so the month is Pepe Luali, if you didn't know, and that's February. Pepe Luali. Okay, so see if you can figure out the day, the number of today. Good, Barbara Makai. Okay, good. Yep, everyone's getting it. Okay, so this question would be okala ehia keia, and Allison Milham, okala ehia keia.
O kala umi kumavalu o pepeluali keia la.
Okay, good. Okay, I don't know. Pamela, it might be the same day. I'm not too sure, but Pamela, okala ehia keia.
Okala umikumavalu o pepeluali keia.
Mexico, yeah?
Yes.
A little bit, it'll be umikumaiva. Okay, good. So those are our 3 questions, and we're going to do a quick lesson about time because we didn't get to go into time last week. So this is just a simple version of time. Time goes a little bit further in, there's a lot more steps to it, but I'm just going to give you the basic how to tell what hour it is, okay? So everyone, ihopini repeating after me. Okahola ehia keia. Okahola ehia keia. Okay, so that's asking what time is it or what hour is it? And to answer, it's pretty simple because all you're doing is taking out the ehia and you're putting in the number of the hour. Okay, so depending if you do military time or regular time, let's just stick to regular, 1 through 12. So it's about 7 o'clock. So can you guys answer that question? Okahola ehia keia. You're just filling in this number part with the time. So yeah, what would we do with 7? Good, everyone. Oh yes, you can put it where you're at as well. Kalame, I forgot about that. So some of you may be almost 11, 12 o'clock, or if you're in Japan, about 2 o'clock. Yeah. Good. Okay, I'm gonna call on some other people. Yes, Lehua Kimura, Okahola ehia keia.
Okahola elua ike avakea.
Yeah, keia. Yeah, avakea. Good. Let's go with Christy Aki. And can you say where you're at just so that we can, you know, figure out the time zone?
Okahola ehiku keia.
But you're in Hawaii.
Yes.
Who had another different time? Karen German.
Aloha, Okahola Eva Keia, Noho'auma, San Francisco.
Okay, and Carrie Kaupe. You'll be the last one.
Okahola umikumalua keia ma, Michigan.
Okay, good. All right, so you see we have people all over the world joining us. Thank you for joining us, whatever time it is. It's so awesome. Okay, so if you wanted to do specifically AM or PM, obviously it's AM right now. Then you're going to go Ike ahi ahi, e hopiri mai, Ike ahi ahi. Okay, which means in the evening, or Ike kakahiaka, in the morning. Okay, so let's answer that question one more time with the specific. Is it ahi ahi or kakahiaka? So Okahola ehia keia, what time is it? What's the time, Mr. Wolf? Good, colleagues. Okay, Makai, yes, everyone getting them. Okahola Okahola ehiku keia, Ike ahi ahi. Okay. Good, time's not that bad. This is only the hour. There's also half hour, 15, 45, but we don't have time. Didn't. Okay. Okay, so let's move to our lesson. And today's lesson is going to be about Ke Kula, or school. And, you know, school is very important. This, I would consider this right now a school, what we're doing right now. So in Mahalo, the technology now that we can have a kula like this. But I'm going to throw out this ʻŌLELO no ʻEA, and if you can repeat after me. ʻAʻohe pau, ʻaʻohe pau ka ʻike I ka hālau hoʻokahi. ʻAʻohe pau ka ʻike I ka hālau hoʻokahi. Jamie Laird, can you please say that for us? Did I get it? I got it. Yeah.
Yes. ʻAʻohe pau ka ʻike I ka hālau hoʻokahi.
Yeah,
Not all knowledge is learned in one school.
Okay, my kai. So what does this ʻŌLELO no ʻEA mean to you? If you can type your answer in the chat. For me, it's, you know, you can learn from many different sources and many different resources, and not just one way is the right way of doing things. Especially ʻŌLELO Hawaii. Okay, there's 8 different islands, 8 different or many different styles of ʻŌLELO. So not one way is the right, correct way. Maybe the University of Hawaii has their way of saying things. The University of Hilo has their way of saying things. But again, if you just ʻŌLELO, e ola ka ʻŌLELO, and that's the main thing. Yeah, we can get into grammar, tidbits here and there, but hey, no one wants to be so technical when they speak Hawaiian, yeah? I'm gonna ask a few of you. Anyone wanna read theirs? Or Emily and Josh, can you turn on yours? And just read what you wrote? Yeah.
Learning the ʻŌLELO no ʻEA to me is that it's learning is not just in the classroom, but can be everywhere you go.
Exactly. That's exactly what I was thinking. You can find learning experiences all over the place. Not only in the classroom. It could be, you know, just driving down the road, you've passed a beach and then you learn about the beach. I don't know. I'm just throwing things out there, but yeah, that's exactly it. And that's Kalapi. Can you read yours too? Just one more. And we'll get into our lesson, I promise.
Personally, for me, it means like we're like a tree in the aspect that there are different ways we can grow and be nurtured, and the fact that you can keep your mind open to different sources.
Cool. And that's on period. Beautiful. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so yeah, let's go into our lesson, and we're gonna start off how we started off last week with our vocabulary for this class, or for this lesson. Again, kula means school, so I'm gonna be highlighting some of these objects, some of the objects that we see every day at school, and you're going to choose from the left-hand side, this terminology, which one would fit, okay? So even if you don't know, just take a guess, take a stab at it, because yeah, we're not gonna judge, or are we? No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so this first one, let's type your answer privately, please. Whatever I highlight, you can put it private. Oh, puka, thank you, thanks. It's okay. I said privately after you typed in your answer. So. Okay, Pukawa, you want to give us your answer?
Kapeni.
Okay, kapeni. So pen is kapeni. Everyone at home, mai kapeni. Okay, and what does ka show? Can you type what ka shows? Wow, you guys are fast. Yep, the pen. Okay, thank you, Pukawa. Next, let's do a random one. Let's go. If that's kapeni, what is this one? Da. Good. Good. Anela, you want to take a stab at it?
Ka penny kala.
Ka penny kala. Everyone together, ho'opili mai. Ka penny kala. Oh, you guys sound so beautiful. Okay, good. Let's go with this one. It's probably new, but yeah, it's bottom corner, bottom right corner. Good to know, or to know. Yes, if you know what the word car is in Hawaiian, then you can probably take a guess. And that's the cool thing about some of these Hawaiian words, because obviously our kupuna never had buses back then, so they had to make up things that made sense. So yeah, Solomon, you want to try this one?
Yes, I'm gonna guess ke kahua.
Perfect. Yep. Ke kahua. Ka'a means car. Ohua means actually passenger. So, you know, anything could be, I guess anything could be a ka'ohua, a passenger car. But obviously, ka'ohua has more passengers than most. So, yeah, ka'ohua. All right, let's go speed round right here. Good. Shaughnessy, yeah, you want to take a guess?
Is it Kalolo Uila?
It is. Kalolo Uila, everyone, hopili mai. Lolo Uila. Lolo Uila. So Lolo, and what's a Lolo? I mean, you may have been called a Lolo before, like you're crazy and dumb, but a Lolo actually means brain. Okay, so Lolo, brain, Uila, electric. Put it together, electric brain. There you go, that's smart. Okay, this one. Ooh, this one's hard. Yes, good. There's two of the same thing on it, but this is a little bit more specific. So it's actually a journal. So maybe that might help you. I don't, maybe not. Yep. But Tanel, you want to give us yours? Oh, okay, no worries. So you wrote Pokemon Mana'o and you were correct. Okay. Which means this next one is Kapuke. And then let's just take, so we have two more. So what do you think this one is? If school is school, if Kula is school, then this should be easy. Good. Billy Terrell, you want to try? Second to the last one.
Kahale Kula.
Kahale Kula, the schoolhouse or the school building. Okay. So that one's easy. And then this last one is going to be Ke'eke. And even though it starts with the Okina, you would think it would be Ka'eke, but this is one of those exceptions that our kupuna just said it's going to be Ke'eke. Okay? So just remember when you hear bag, it's going to be Ke'eke. All right, so we got those vocab down. And now let's go into our first question. Kapua, if you can send the stuff again one more time. Okay, so this question is a little longer, but again, it's just describing the same thing that we meant. Yes, Pokemon Mana'o was notebook. Okay, so I hope you don't mind repeating after me. Ua hele oi I ke kula hea. Ua hele oi I ke kula hea. Okay, here, my girl, can you try? Ua hele oi I ke kula hea.
Ua hele oi I ke kula hea.
Okay. Anela, can you try?
Ua hele oi I ke kula hea.
Okay, good. That is asking, what school did you go to? Ua hele oi, go to, I ke kula, school, hea, what or which. Okay, and the it's an easy answer as well. You're pretty much going to say the same first part, and instead of saying hea, you're just going to say o, which shows a name, and then the name of the school. So ua hele o I ke kula o Roosevelt. Ua hele au ke kula o Harvard. Yes, I went to Harvard. Okay. So if you guys can answer that, no, I did not. I did not go to Harvard. You really thought I went to Harvard? I went to UH. Warriors. Okay, so answering ua hele au ua hele ʻoe I ke kula hea, and then type in your answer in the chat. Good. And then again, I'm gonna call on some people to answer. But I figured this would be, I know many of us are out of school and, you know, maybe you're a teacher, but most of us, we graduated already. But what is the #1 question you get after what's your name is what high school you went to in Hawaii, especially. Because that helps us to build pilina. If you're outside, if you're on the continent, high school is very important because it tells, you know, it tells a lot where you're from, who your group is, what your money status is in some sense as well. Yeah. Okay, so let's call Brigitte. Ua hele ʻoe I ke kula hea. Or Bridget.
Ua hele au I ke kula o USC.
Kai. Manaʻolana teʻo. Ua hele ʻoe I ke kula hea. Oh, period.
Ua hele au I ke kula o Kamehameha. How do you say "and"? Like if you want to add your college.
Oh, okay. You can
Ame
say
or
yeah, Ame.
Ame Pepperdye.
Good.
Kula Nui.
Thank you. Okay, and let's do one more. Laura Behek.
Ua hele au I ke kula o Mililani.
Okay, so that was our first, I mean, easy enough. That's what I like about these questions is that once you hear the question, it's kind of easy to figure out what it is and then say your answer. Yeah? Okay, now you're ready. We're gonna go a little bit harder. So these are the different na Pae Kula. Pae Kula, e hoa pili mai Pae Kula. Okay, so Pae is like a level or like different platforms or whatever. Yeah, Billy, we're gonna get to college in a little bit. Okay. So Pae is, you know, your level, your school level, and then we have five normal ones that we have. And let's just go repeating after me. I'm gonna call on you. So Dorcas, can you repeat the first one after me? And it's gonna be Kula Kamali'i.
Kula kamali'i.
And what is the Kula Kamali'i?
Preschool.
Okay. Let's go to Amanda P. Kula ʻAʻA.
Kula ha'a.
Okay. And then, I'm sorry, one more time. ʻAʻA.
Ha.
Perfect.
Elementary school.
You always laugh. I like it. Okay. The next one is going to be Barbara de Barish. Kula Vaina.
I guess pressing the space bar doesn't unmute you, huh? Kula Vaina, middle school.
Good. Kula Vaina is middle school. Our next
Kumu. Ha'a is humble. How is that with translating with elementary school?
question. Okay, so ʻAʻA is humble, but it also means like lower, like a lower rank, I guess. So that's how they got ʻAʻA.
Got it. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, let's go to Amanda Jimenez. Kula ki'e.
Ki'e.
Yeah, and that is your
high school.
Okay, and again, ha'a ki'e is more higher level. So like a mountain can be ki'e. So that's how we got high school. And the last one is kula. You might think big school. In retrospect, big school is a college. Okay, so those are our 5 right here. All right. Okay, so we're gonna go individually and we're gonna be answering what schools you went to. Obviously not e-school, preschool, but yeah. So when you wanna add the specific level, all you're doing is putting after kula, so it's literally the same question. Ua hele ʻoe I ke kula hea, but after kula, you're gonna just put the level. So if I asked, Ua hele o I ke kula kamaliʻi hea. That would be what preschool did you go to? Okay. So if you guys can answer that in the chat using that same kind of pattern that we did. And I'm gonna edit this before you guys get mixed up. Okay. If you remember what preschool you went to. If not, if you didn't go to preschool, here's another one you can say. ʻAʻoleo I hele. So I never go. I didn't go. ʻAʻoleo I hele. Yes, good. Hey, Shaughnessy, can you answer? Ua hele o I ke kula kamaliʻi hea?
Full disclosure, I don't remember what preschool I went to, so I just choose my my niece's preschool. So I am ua hele au I ke kula kamaliʻi o Rainbow Schools.
Cool. That's a fun school. Leah, can you answer yours? Pronovost? Ua hele o I ke kula kamaliʻi hea?
Here we go. Okay, there we go. ʻAʻole au I hele.
Perfect. So you never go. Perfect. Okay, so that's our preschool. I know people don't really ask what preschool you go to. It's mostly like middle and high school, but yeah, it's fine. We're just doing this to practice. Okay, but keep those answers in mind for our breakout rooms coming up in a bit. Okay, our next one. Ua hele ʻoe I ke kula haʻahaʻa hea. What elementary did you go to? So same. And I'm just gonna call on people, even though you never typed it out yet, I'm just gonna call you and ʻAʻA I ke ʻōlelo, okay? So let's go, Stacy, ua hele ʻoe I ke kula haʻahaʻa hea.
Ua hele ʻoe I ke kula o St. Anthony's.
Okay. I'm gonna ask you to say it one more time. So you said you went to St. Anthony's. Do you remember what I?
Ua hele au I ke kula o St. Anthony, or ke kula haʻahaʻa o St. Anthony.
Perfect. Bertalicious, love the name. So ua hele ʻoe I ke kula haʻahaʻa hea.
Ua hele ʻoe au I ke kula haʻahaʻa
O.
Penasco?
Sorry, what was the last part? O.
O Penasco.
Okay, cool. I'm guessing that. Consonant?
O Penasco. Sorry.
Yeah, you're good. Thank you.
Okay,
let's get one more for elementary. Victoria Jones. Ua hele ʻoe I ke kula haʻahaʻa hea. Maybe, is your daughter in, okay, never mind.
She can say it too.
Run away.
Ua hele ʻoe I ke kula. Oh wait, I'm sorry. Ua hele au I ke kula haʻahaʻa o ke ʻaʻao.
Good. Okay, perfect. And then your daughter is she middle or high or elementary?
Elementary.
Okay, perfect. So instead of saying ua, she's gonna say hele au.
Hele au. Hele au. So just say the name Cypress.
Yeah, hele au I ke kula.
Village.
What?
Hele au.
Hele au.
I ke kula haʻahaʻa o Cypress Village.
Oh, Cypress Village.
Elementary.
Perfect. And what's your name?
Ivalani.
Oh, Ivalani.
Thank you, Ivalani. You get a prize. Yay. So if Victoria, if you can send us your address and then we can send this to you.
Okay. Well, okay. Cool.
But this is not for you, Victoria. It's for your daughter.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, let's do the next two. Ua hele ʻoe I ke kula waina hea. So what middle school did you go to? Okay, ua hele ʻoe I ke kula waina hea. Good. I'm gonna skip this. I'm not gonna ask this because they're pretty much all the same once you get it. But I'll go to the high school one because the high school one, that's pretty much what everyone wants to know. Oh, you went Punahele. Oh, you're Punahele. Okay, that makes sense. Good. Middle school, let's jump and go to Ki'e, and this is the one I'm going to ask. So don't even type it. Let's just see what we can figure out just by asking. So let's go to Kana Naipo and Robert. Okay. Wahele oi I ke kula ki'e hea.
Ua hele o au. Ua hele au I ke kula ki'e o Waminalo. Homeschool. True story.
You're the prom king and the valedictorian, yeah? Okay, let's go. Oh, you want to answer too? Follow me, Hannah.
I'm Robert, by the way. So, okay, ua hele au. Oh, no, yeah. Ua hele au I ke kula ki'e o castle.
Okay, let's do Kikai Malu.
Okay, this is. Oh, wahele au I ke kula. Are we doing high school?
Yeah, high school.
Okay, wahele au I ke kula ki'e ma Farrington.
Good. Farrington, and let's just do one more. We'll never go. No, Lindy. Wahele oi ke kula ki'e hea.
Ua hele oi I ke kula ki'e o San Carlos I Kalaponi.
Okay, good. Everything's good except you said oi. What are you supposed to say again? One more time.
Ua.
Oh.
Oh.
Ua hele au ke kula ki'e o.
Thank you, Helen. Yeah, so ua hele au. Oi is remember you. Thank you, Lindy. Okay, we must be over school already, so let's. This is important. Who went to college? Raise your hand. Okay. So let's just do this real fast. So wahele oi I ke kula nui hea. What college or university did you go to? So same thing, same pattern, except what we're gonna do is ma. Ma shows the city or the place that it's in. So if I wanted to say I went to the University of Hawaii at Manoa, I would say waheleo I ke kula nui o Hawaii ma Manoa. Okay. So the place you can just fill in with like USC, University of Southern California. You can also say at California at the end, just if you want. Okay. Okay. Mohala, uhele oi I ke kula nui hea. Sorry.
Oh, sorry about that. Ua hele au I ke kula nui o Wright Junior College, ma Chicago.
Good, thank you. Let's go to Carly. Uhele oi ke kula nui hea.
Ua hele au I ke kula nui o Seattle Pacific ma Seattle.
Good. And Jenna Yadao. Uhele oi ke kula nui hea. I love that last name.
Ua hele au I ke kula nui o Kapi'olani Community College, ma Honolulu.
Yeah, good. Okay, so good practice, everyone. Let's everyone answer at least the high school one together. So I'm gonna ask you. Ua hele oi ke kula ki'e hea.
Ua hele au I ke kula.
Good. I heard everyone. You guys all went to different schools. That's cool. Awesome. Oh, I know that high school. Okay, cool. All right. So let's. I want to do this one. Okay. So instead of the last question that we're going to do for tonight is going to be about your favorite teacher. I mean, we all have our favorite teachers, and that's going to be Owai. Remember, Owai is asking who. Who? WAI KΑU KUMU PUNAHELE. So who is your favorite teacher? O wai kāu kumu punahele. E ho'opili mai. O wai kāu kumu punahele. O wai kāu kumu punahele. And this question is kind of a good one for you to remember because you can just fill it out or take this out and put o wai kāu celebrity punahele or o wai kāu keiki punahele. Who's your favorite child? Nah, just kidding. Don't ask that question. Okay, but yeah, again, instead of saying vai, you're going to take out vai and put in your teacher's name. And then instead of saying kau, you're going to say ka'u. O blank kāu kumu punahele. Okay? Oh, you all are too nice. No, I'm not a teacher. I'm a comedian. Okay, good. Yes, so for me, o wai kāu kumu punahele, o kumu kāwika kāu kumu punahele. Pi'ilani, can you answer? O wai kāu kumu punahele?
Yes. O Mrs. Naone ka'u kumu punahele.
Okay. Mackenzie McCann, o wai kāu kumu punahele?
Oh, Mr. Corjit Ka'u Kumu Punahele.
Perfect. Okay, and oh, cool. Thank you. Then oh yeah, Lena ala pae. Cool. And then let's do one more. Kala P. O wai kāu kumu punahele?
O kumu ka'umi ka'u kumu punahele.
Hello. Thank you. Okay, so I think that's going to take us right to our breakout rooms, and we're going to be Lena. Sorry, not Lena. Kapua, can you type in those just the questions part? And this is going to be what you're going to be asking each other in the breakout rooms. So remember, you're going to be split into your breakout rooms. Everyone will take turns answering the question. Turn on your mic only when it's your turn, and then try and facilitate yourselves because we're going to be in every class. Be patient and leave comments and positive comments in the chat, encouraging your fellow Haumana. Yeah, I want to see if you, I know sometimes we just read our answers, but I want to see if you guys can actually do the asking and answering part. So if you guys can, please ask the question, maybe 2 people at a time, one ask, one answer, and then you just go around the room. Okay? You guys can leave out, oh, this one. Hele ʻoi ke kula hea. That's what school do you go to? Try and answer that using e ho'opili mai as your school that you're currently attending. Okay? All right, so breakout rooms. Let's go 14. Okay. And if you guys have your camera off, if you can just turn it on for the breakout room, that would be appreciated. Thank you. Okay, bye. 10 minutes starting now.
Hi.
Aloha Pamela. Ua hele
Aloha.
ʻoi ke kula waina hea.
Vaina. Ua hele au I ke kula vaina o vaina. Jose Enrique Rodó.
Mahalo.
Mahalo. Amanda. Ua hele ʻoe I ke kula.
Aloha ʻohala. ʻAʻole for me. I didn't go to preschool, so ʻaʻole hele.
ʻAʻole, okay. Ua hele ʻoe I kula kamaliʻi hea e piʻilani.
Let's see. I didn't go to preschool, so I don't know how to answer that in ʻŌLELO Hawaii. But I can do ʻAʻA. Is that okay? Ua hele au I ke kula ʻAʻA.
Yes.
Wait, so where did you go? Wait, where's that school?
It's in California, San Diego.
Oh, cool.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kumu join us.
Uh-oh. Teacher here. We'll talk.
From King
Oh.
and Victorian.
Okay, so the next one, ua hele oe I ke kula hea. Where did you go to?
Elementary, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I'll get, okay. Ua hele au.
Hawaii Manoa.
Oh, I this one already. Oh, sorry.
Mahalo.
Oh, Pleasant Grove.
Okay, lucky you have the TA in your class, so after all the questions.
Ua hele.
Birdelicious.
Birdelicious. Okay,
Love it.
I will ask you if that's okay.
Okay.
Ua hele oi I ke kula kamali'i hea.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Were you by yourself the whole time?
Yeah. I was with my mom.
Oh.
I told her she left.
No, the person that you were put in probably left because you had to leave. But yeah, let's just, I can ask you. So, ua hele oi I ke kula hea.
Ua hele au I ke kula ha'aha'a o kaukaha. Ua hele oi I ke kula ha'aha'a hea.
Ua hele au I ke kula ha'aha'a o kamehameha. Okay. I'm gonna flip it up. Are you in college now?
No, I'm currently in high school.
High school, okay. So instead of saying ua, I'm gonna say hele oi I ke kula ki'e hea. So you don't need to say the ua.
Yeah. Hele au I ke kula ki'e o kamehameha ma ke ao.
Hey, awesome. What grade?
9th.
Oh, cool. Do you have kumu? Oh no, she teaches upper ʻŌLELO. Who's your ʻŌLELO teacher?
Pomaika'i Baptista.
Oh, fine. Okay, so while we're on that, Wai KΑU KUMU PUNAHELE.
O kumu.
Awesome. Okay, and let's do a couple, or you want to ask? You can ask.
Ua hele oi I ke kula waina hea.
Ua hele au I ke kula waina o kamehameha ma ka pālama. Okay.
Oh, you're a teacher? Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I teach at the Kapalama campus, Hawaiian language. So yeah, it's awesome. What else do you have? Are you in Hawaii now?
Yes, I am.
Well, I asked you that already. Okay, so let's. Ua hele oi I ke kula kamali'i hea.
Oh, ʻAʻole au I hele. I didn't go to college.
Okay, you want to ask?
O WAI KΑU KUMU PUNAHELE.
O kumu lilinoi kākou kumu punahele. Okay. Let's do one more. What did we not do? Oh no, we did everything. Okay, well yeah. Thank you. Sorry you were in the room by yourself. I never even seen Kalamai.
It's okay.
But yeah, we're almost paused, so about 3 more minutes and then we'll go back. Thank you. Oh, are we Paul?
No.
Okay.
You're interrupting.
Wow. Okay. Bye.
All right.
One is
Aloha.
Aloha.
How's it going?
Good.
Very good. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know.
Okay.
Ah,
he's watching.
Ah, I'm very nervous.
You could just make up the name. It's just for practice. So, Miss Bobby Bob. Kākou Kumu Punahele.
Miss Babariwap, name KAU KUMU PUNAHELE.
Perfect. And she's a great teacher. I met her once. She's awesome.
Miss Bobby Bob.
Miss Bobby Bob. You guys almost Paul?
Yeah, I think we Paul.
Aloha.
have a question.
Yes.
He ninau kau. Pehea ka ʻŌLELO Hawaii Graduate School.
Oh, it's gonna be Kula Nui as well, but specifically you're gonna say Laio'o. Kula Laio'o. That's graduate school. Okay. Hey Bridget, I'm gonna send out your gift tomorrow from last week. Kalamai. Never had time.
No problem.
Yeah, you probably live like right next to me because I live in Pae Kula, so I might come drop it off, but we'll see. I might just.
Oh yeah, if so, you can just drop it off by the front porch. There's a place where all the packages get dropped off. That's fine.
Okay, perfect. That might be easier, cheaper.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, sweet. So yeah, Kula Laio'o.
Mahalo.
Yeah. Are you and then doctorate is Kula Lai'ula. This we're about done, so I'll see you guys back in the main room.
Mahalo.
It's okay. Oh, we're done.
We're done. I know 10 minutes.
Great job, guys.
Cut me off.
Thank you.
Thanks, Stacy and Marlene and my partner.
Yes, bravo, ladies.
Thank you,
That was
ladies.
great.
Loina, Ala, and Sissy.
Hi, Loina.
Hi, Mala.
Okay.
Thanks, Emmanuel.
Oh, this is so sweet. Turn off your mics. Like Mahalo in the chat.
Hey, that's why I didn't want it there.
How do I mute everyone? Hold on. Mute yourself, please. That always happens wrong. Okay, let's take a quick.
Kumu, you're muted again.
It wasn't me this time, I promise.
It was.
It really wasn't though. I never pushed the button.
It was me this time.
Okay.
I'll take the fall.
I want to get fired. I'm just kidding. Okay, let's take a picture.
She didn't like you telling her to turn off the mic.
Carly, I'm gonna mute you. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, shaka, and go. Okay, next one, next page. 1, 2, 3. Keep going because I don't know who's on which page. Ready, and go. Okay, perfect. All right, let's finish up. And there's a kind of cool activity if you want to stay afterwards. It's just a quick hakumele composing thing. So, yeah. But how did that go? Well, I'm gonna ask for one volunteer if they can if anyone wants to say theirs that didn't get to go last time. Anyone? Okay, I'm just gonna choose someone. And that is going to be, I don't know. Karen. I'll ask you the questions and if you can answer, please.
Okay.
Okay. Ua hele oi I ke kula ʻAʻA hea.
Ua hele au I ke kula ʻAʻA o Ashaway.
Ua hele oi I ke kula waina hea.
Ua hele au I ke kula waina o Cheraho.
Ua hele oi I ke kula kiʻekiʻe hea.
Ua hele au I ke kula kiʻekiʻe o Moanalua.
Ua hele oi I ke kula nui hea.
ua hele au I ke kula nui o Hawaii ma noa a me I ke kula nui o San Francisco State.
Yeah, and then WAI KΑU KUMU PUNAHELE.
O Kumu Jonah Kumu Punahele.
Is that me? Is that me? Oh shoot. Kahanu. I'm trying to Jonah. Nah. Nope. Okay. Thank you.
Fail. Sorry.
You're good. Okay, thank you. Let's all give her a round of applause. Hopefully you guys were able to meet someone new in your breakout rooms and go over all of that. But when it was going into the breakout rooms, it was good. This is exactly how I want class to go. You know, just figure it out and just talk together and work together. Okay, so officially done with class. Mahalo nui everyone. Next class will be next week, Thursday, 25th. See you guys then. We finished early. Wow, this is normal. But yeah, thank you again for joining us and taking on this kuleana to learn Hawaiian. I appreciate you all, and yeah, that was cool. Yes, there's an activity if you guys want to stay on, then you can stay on. Here. And we're going to do a quick hakumele activity, which is what we did for our Instagram thing. So this is a cool song that Paka Papa. If you gotta go, you can go. But this is a cool song that is used at the Punanaleo preschools here in Hawaii, the Hawaiian language preschools. And it's called Hele au I ke kula mai ka'i, which means I go to an excellent school or a terrific school. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna rewrite this song. It's called Kuapo Kuapo. And we're gonna exchange the words in this mele to fit our school, what school we went to. Okay. So some of you may have done this already on Instagram, but if you did, then that's my you can just remember and type in what you did. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go hele au I ke kula. You're gonna choose an adjective in Hawaiian, or if you don't know it in Hawaiian, you can put it in English. Then so I would say hele au I ke kula. I'll just say my ka'i again here. I go to an excellent good school. Ma ke kula o Kamehameha, your school name, ma kapalama. Okay, so that's easy because we went over these earlier. ʻAʻa I ka, what did I learn there? I learned Hawaiian language. I ka ʻŌLELO Hawaii. Okay, but if you have another major or something that you want to add in, you can type it in the chat and we can help you out. Ma ke kula o Kamehameha, ma kapalama. Okay, so let's see if you guys want to stay and do this activity with us. You can type all those answers into the chat. This is just kind of like a cool way to remember, you know, I went to what school, or yeah, sing about it. So if I was to sing mine, it would go like this. So yeah, I'll give you guys a couple minutes to type that out. Nice, Kaviks. I like yours. So yeah, please use Kaviks as an example. Hele au I ke kula mai ka'i, ma ke kula o e ho'opili mai ma Zoomalani. So e ho'opili mai school on Zoom. ʻAʻa I ka ʻŌLELO Hawaii, ma ke kula o e ho'opili mai ma Zoomalani. The perfect example. Okay, but if you guys need help saying any of the words, please, please turn on your mic or type it in the chat and I can help you out. Especially for the subject over here and the adjective to describe it.
E kala mai kumu.
Oh yeah, really.
Hele au I ka kula. The first sentence.
Oh, good. No, K is correct.
Oh, okay. I thought I missed something.
Oh yeah, you're good. Thank you. That was good mistake to point out. Okay. Kavitz, do you know the song? The tune?
Okay, many.
That's a lie. Okay, fine, I'll sing it for you.
Kalamai.
Nah, you're good. ʻELEO I ke kula mai kai. Ma ke kula o e hoki mai. Mazumalani. A o wau I ka ʻōLELO Hawaii. Ma ke kula o e hoki mai. Mazumalani. Good. Let's do one more. Carly. Carly, you sing, Carly. Thanks, Carly.
Okay, are you gonna play it or?
Oh, sure. I'll play it. Okay, ready?
It's gonna be off. Okay. Hate this. Okay. Hele au I ke kula leʻa. A ke kula e o e hoʻo. Pili mai ma zumalani. I forgot how it goes.
Oh, good.
O a I ka ʻōLELO Hawaii. Ma ke kula o e hoʻopili mai ma ko kākou uila.
Yay, Carly! Give her a Grammy, everyone. Thanks, Carly. Okay, so I mean, if you want to get the ʻLELO or the tune, just come back and listen to this part of the video. But yeah, if you can use Kavit's example, here, I'll retype it in the chat. And if you can all sing it with me from your homes. If you don't know the tune, who cares? Just sing like no one's listening because we're not. You're on mute. Okay, ready? Everyone sing with me. The one I just typed in. Hele au I ke kula mai kai. Okay, ready? It's too high. Okay, hele au. Hele au I ke kula mai kai. Ma ke kula o e hoʻopili mai ma zumalani. A o au I ka ʻōLELO Hawaii. Ma ke kula o e hoʻopili mai ma zumalani. Yeah. See, now you guys are all hakumele. You guys wrote your own first Hawaiian song. So cool. Or second, whatever. I don't know if you wrote that before. But yeah, thank you. Hopefully that was fun. We'll be doing more of those kind of activities because these are always cool to think of education outside of just the normal stuff. So yeah, this is education too, yeah? Okay, but yeah, I think we're good. I'll see you guys next class. Thank you again for another amazing class. Wow, Kapua, we even finished the activity before the 8 o'clock hour. I guess they want kanikapila then.
Before the bell rings.
Oh yeah, we gave them too much kanikapila. Yeah, we gotta save it for next time.
No.
Oh,
E olu olu oi.
okay, fine. One song. What song?
Aloha.
Aloha, okay. Okay, Lindy, Aloha, I will. Oh, Carly gotta dance a hula though. I'm just kidding, Carly. I pick on you too much.
I only know Hanale Moon.
Okay, Hanale Moon indeed. Thanks, Carter.
But sometimes I forget it.
Carly, I'll turn the recording off. Who's gonna know?